Framework laptops are amazing simply because with practically just a screwdriver, you can repair the entire thing. It's basically the last laptop you'd ever need to buy. The one problem is they're pretty expensive. But what if you could buy an affordable Framework laptop? One that's basically half the price. If you don't mind a little bit of scuffing. Let's get into it. You may not realize it, but Framework offers both refurbished laptops and what they call B-stock laptops, and that's the one we really care about. But first, let's talk about the refurbished models. Refurbished laptops are exactly what they sound like. Framework got a return for some reason, and they checked it over, fixed anything that wasn't working, and they're selling it again. Refurbished laptops aren't new though, and they might have some wear and tear. But it's the B-stock offering we're focusing on today. Unlike refurbished models, B-stock laptops aren't used. Instead, Framework takes excess parts they have left over and they combine them with new parts to make a lower priced model. In this case, instead of getting the newer, nicer matte displays of a brand new laptop, you'll get a glossy display as found on the original Framework laptops. But why is that important? Because the price is super low, especially now that Framework lowered the price of B-stock even more. The base B-model Framework with an i7 processor starts at $500. But there's a couple catches you should know about. The first has to do with that display. Framework admits they're not perfect. You can see small lines and imperfections at certain angles, and Framework put up a quick video to show off what that might look like. I'll link it below. The other catch is that you may need to spend more than $500 to get going. Those B-stock models don't have RAM, storage, Wi-Fi adapters, or an OS. But to help with that, Framework is now offering refurbished RAM and storage, and therefore reduced price RAM and storage. And if you already have compatible parts, you can use that and stick to the $500 price. If the idea of a glossy, imperfect display bothers you, you can step up to an A-stock option, which uses matte displays without the imperfection. You'll still spend less than a new Framework laptop, but it's not quite so affordable. Still, if you don't mind the original glossy display, you can easily kit this out and spend half as much as a new Framework model, which makes this the most affordable, most repairable laptop yet. I have a link below if you're interested, and it's not even an affiliate link. I just think Framework's efforts are great for the world and more people should know about them, and the idea that you can now get something so repairable at a more affordable price is worth knowing about. That's it for now, but please subscribe if you want more tech news and reviews like this. Until next time, bye!